Welcome to all. In this class, today I will teach you about taxonomy. Taxonomy is a biological science which deals with identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms following certain rules. Thus, one of the functions of the taxonomist and scientist who give name or systematists is to provide a scientific name for every living creature. The need for a uniform international system of naming is obvious. Common vernacular name for the plant or animal vary from region to region. For example, the bird that we know as goraya in Hindi in India and Pakistan is known by different names in other countries. As example, house sparrow in England, pardal in Spain, musk in Holland, sujun in Japan, and so on. It is therefore important to have a single scientific name to be followed all over the world. Binomial nomenclature. Binomial दो नाम, द्विनाम nomenclature दो नाम पद्धति, द्विनामकरण पद्धति. In biology, every organism is given two proper names. The first is the name of the genus to which organism belongs. It shares this name with a number of other closely related organisms. We can compare the genus name to a person's surname. Genus means वंश, उस वंश से रिलेटेड नाम जो होगा वो जीनस है. फर्स्ट नेम जीनस and second the organism second name is the species to which it belongs. This name is possessed by only one kind of organism. It does not share with any other organism in genus. Genus means species को उस जीनस के दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म के साथ शेयर नहीं किया जा सकता. The scientific names are unique, understood and followed all over the world. They are not changed easily. They are guided by a set of rules stated in the International Code of Biological Nomenclature. It is convention that genus name is always written first with its initial letter in capital. A species name is written after the genus name and initial letter is always small. Both names often individuals are printed in italics. When handwritten, both are underlined. As example, Rana Tigrina. Rana start with capital letter, Tigrina with a small letter, and underline both. Panthera pardus. Panthera pardus. फर्स्ट नेम राना टिग्रीना का फर्स्ट नेम जीनस एंड सेकेंड नेम स्पीसीज. पैंथेरा पार्डस फर्स्ट नेम जीनस सेकेंड नेम स्पीसीज. Since this system of naming involves giving organism two names, it is known as the binomial nomenclature. It was developed first of all used in naming plants and animals. By Linnaeus, nomenclature was developed first of all used in naming plants and animals by Linnaeus. In the book Initial Species Plantarum, book's name is Species Plantarum, which was published in 1753. Linnaeus has been considered as the father of taxonomy. Linnaeus known as father of taxonomy. So here taxonomy is complete. Next day, next topic. Thanks.